This is a mod, right? Now watch this.
Alright,
Watch this.
okay.
Watch this. Now my game's laggy, but look. That was freaking cool, right? Was that not awesome? Was that not cool? Okay, watch this. Hold on.
Physics kind of cringe.
Listen. This game's very funny. Hold on, wait. You can stay still. And I'll put C4s in his head, and you're gonna watch his head explode. And it's really fun.
Yay.
I'll put it in his Look, it's the CSGO C4. That's so cool. Am I right? Am I right?
Put one in his crotch. Oh.
Wee! Woo! Yay!
You should have put one in his crotch.
We can always get another. Let me throw him in.
Make a new one.
Yeah. Stand still, stand still.
Put one in his crotch and then like
Shall I on fire too?
red.
Shall I on fire too? Or should I call
And,
her
then, and then
shotgun?
just put the I'm about to come audio and then just make it for when he explodes.
Okay.
I'm about to explode.
Pause. Pause.
I'm about to explode.
Oh god. Oh, it's King
I'm
Kong.
exploding.
Oh my god, he's still walking.
How is he still alive?
Hold on. I'll take care of this guy. Where's
No,
the... Oh wait, I'll do an airstrike. Where's airstrike?
Do you have a heavy? Do you have Sheila?
I have a double Sheila. Watch this, watch this. Oh, he's under, he's under range. No, no.
Why do you put? Why do you put airstrike? Chill. It's just chilling.
Let's play with napalm. Hit him with napalm, come on. Oh my god, his whole back's on fire, I think.
What the hell? Put C4s on his, put 3 C4s on his head.
Wait, should I call a nuclear bomb on him? I can call a nuclear strike, hold on. Stand still. Where is... Okay, nuclear strike.
Are you serious? There's not Enola Gay.
Later.
The video where like the guy's in the Chick-fil-A parking lot and he just starts screaming help.
Wait, yeah.
Just come and do milkshake. Help! Help! Someone help me!
Oh, jeez! Oh!
Oh. And the guy did it in a Walmart.
Did he actually?
Yeah. He's like, help! I've been stabbed.
Whoa!
I can't even stop laughing. Help! Help! I've been stabbed! I've been stabbed!
Whoa! Look at this. I'm trying to yank him. I throw him. It's like foot stuck under the map and he can't clip out of it.
You drag him to the ground, he looks like a little spider.
Oh, did I mean to do that? Look.
Just
Whee!
let him die.
Dude. Okay.
Okay, there's a villager.
Wish I
Why?
spun in.
Why are the bones in his hand like fused together?
Oh, I know what I'll do. I'll summon a T-Rex.
So much worse than use like a full gun.
Yay!
Put C4 in the. Just do what we did like the King Kong and put it.
Put it on his head.
Nope. No. Not on his head. He needs to
Yay! I'll spawn
make the T-Rex explode. Make him about to explode.
Okay. Well, how'd that work on a T-Rex though?
Just put it like under its like
Put it right
abdomen. Yeah. And then put like 2 on its head to make sure it dies.
You just ate me. Cause I got too close. Okay, hold on. I don't care anymore.
For like 2 or 3. No. Still alive.
No, it's not. Is it?
Yes.
Okay, wait.
Never mind.
I'll just I'll use the proper cleanup measures. Dang, this village must be in Vietnam.
Well, wait a minute. Those are all villagers. They're all civilians.
Napalm. No, this
What are you
this
doing?
is
They're all
good.
innocent civilians.
Bro, this is just like Call of Duty. Hey, look at that villager. I'll
No, use a gravity gun and slam them into the wall like 12 times.
Okay, I can find another one. I'll throw him.
Just yeet him into the cow.
Okay, let me get his body closer.
Is he dead yet? Check.
This one. Okay, I picked another one.
Average Florida man. And then destroy the airlock.
Oh, watch this. This stupid. Get out of my way. I just took a bomb in there.
I just put a bomb in the toilet.
Oh my god! It's sucking me in. Yeah, what a bomb. I'll go to the cockpit and tell him what happened.
Officer, I was just being silly.
It was just a goof. Excuse me? Sir?
Officer, I was just being
Aw,
silly.
jeez!
Something.
Hey guys, it's me, Sully, from that one movie, Sully.
There's no one flying the plane. There's there.
No witnesses. Okay, what can I put in here? What can I spawn?
The Twin Towers.
Oh my god. How about Godzilla?
Pentagon. Just flew over.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Wait, what's happening? Wait, wait! My frames! Oh my god!
Tom Cruise. I do all my own stunts.
Jeep, sure? I'll spawn a car in this back part. Trophy truck, perfect.
So it's a Batmobile.
Batman feels cool. I love Batman.
Batman's my favorite. That's my favorite.
I love
That's
Batman.
my favorite.
I love Batman. I love Batman. Yay! Oh jeez.
Tom Cruise. I do all of my own stuff.
Okay. He's one of them. Okay.
Sing Been a Sun by Nirvana. And now just
So
leave him
laggy.
there. And then airstrike.
Oh yeah, look. Oh yeah, the floor's under me's falling. Okay, hold on. I gotta get somewhere safe real quick. Yeah, the cockpit looks good. Okay.
It looks like he's being hung.
He has. I'll let him go.
Just where those holes are all on the right in the floor, just like disconnect the plane and then standing on the cockpit.
The plane is disconnected. The only thing keeping them together is King Kong.
Put Godzilla in.
I'll let him go now.
You know the video of a 133mm artillery shell, like going through a person?
No.
No, it's like
No.
like a torso full like a full torso ballistics dummy and
Oh
and
yeah, I've
shot.
seen that. It's the big artillery shell against the Jurassic dummy. Yeah, that's brutal. Cause it's like the size of your chest. Oh, I broke the wrong side of the plane.
And I got rid of everything.
Connect with wrong. 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 Teardown.exe is not responding. Okay.
Put Godzilla there, and then put King Kong in the tall skyscraper.
Oh my god. My frames already.
Put King Kong on the skyscraper.
Okay. My game's gonna crash again.
With an
Godzilla
D1 Godzilla.
You wouldn't want it, guys. Oh my god, bro. What's the... Okay, this one kind of looks similar to the movie.
Just like, yeah.
Like I can see. Get him the hell out of here. Get him out of here.
Bro, get up. The party's over.
Whee! What's that? Oh my god, it's King Kong. Oh my gosh, it's King Kong. Oh yeah, this actually looks cool with because like it's downscaled. Oh, do you want me to find him in a mech?
Yes, Evangelion mech. Or Transformers. I mean, not, Voltron or
Pacific
Power Rangers.
Rim, actually.
Cringe.
How do you not like
Points and
that
laughs.
movie? How do you not like Pacific Rim?
Pacific Rim 2 is the...
Okay,
the
Pacific
most-
Rim 2 we don't talk about, okay?
That is the most movie of all time.
With Luigi from Mario. Look, I'm killing him.
I like in the Mario movie when,
Peaches.
oh god. When Mario said, "It's me." Mario, and then when Luigi said, "It's a me, Luigi Mario."
That was pretty funny. Beautiful day in Birmingham today, eh?
This beautiful summer day here in Birmingham today.
Look at this tower
It's
just
1
fell.
PM right now.
It's a beautiful day in Birmingham, 2 PM on a Saturday morning. Oh, just an absolute beauty. I think
It's
about
just
going to the beach today.
You failed.
No.
You failed.
Front row.
That did absolutely
It
nothing.
literally ripped off a car. Oh my god! Okay, it's pretty freaking cool, man. What?
Now
My game
try
just
to
crashed.
lift it.
My game just crashed.
Alright. I think it's time we call it quits for this. I think.
Okay. I'll put an image on screen. A comedic one, even, I suppose you could say.
Yeah.
A little bit of a funny one, you know?
Like and subscribe. Can we just talk about Sonic 2 now?
No!